ROCKWOOL Safe''N''Sound is a stone wool insulation product made for use in interior walls and floor ceiling applications. Now you might be wondering, why would I insulate an interior wall? Well, your answer is right there in the name of the product. Safe and sound. Safe because of its fire resistant properties. ROCKWOOL insulation will not burn, buying you and your family time to get out of your house in the event of a fire. Sound because of its ability to absorb noise from room to room and in between floors, bringing peace and quiet to your home. Insert, compress, release. Those 3 steps are all it takes to ensure a snug fit. And that snug fit is one of the reasons why ROCKWOOL Safe''N''Sound is so effective at absorbing noise between the spaces in your home. ROCKWOOL Safe''N''Sound, making your home a safer, healthier, and quieter environment for you and your family.